name's Amethyst with WTI, and this right here is my keyboard and mouse for my work from home job. I am obsessed with this duo right here. First of all, we got to talk about the color. It is a beautiful blue and my favorite type of purple, and it looks just so aesthetically pleasing. I love seeing it on my desk. It makes me so happy. And then of course, the efficiency. So the mouse is extremely comfortable. I've not had any pain while using this mouse, and it glides perfectly. I've not had any issues with skipping, and so all around, this is a 10 out of 10 mouse, and it's really cute, as you can see. And as for the keyboard, I'm very picky with my keyboards. First of all, we all gotta try out the sound test. I just love it. I love the sounds so very much. And you can't tell with my nails currently, but I usually have some pretty long glue-on nails on. And if you've ever tried to type with nails, you know how difficult that could be. But what I love about this keyboard is that they have very shallow keys. So it's really easy to type with the pads of your finger and to avoid typos with nails. So if you're a girly who likes your long nails, this is going to be a great keyboard for you. And then something that I'm really picky about is having a number pad. So I love that this is an extra large keyboard with that number pad. It's just my favorite. I love using a number pad. And so I was really happy to find something that checks off all the boxes. So we've got cuteness, we've got efficiency, we've got our number pad, works with long nails. What else can you ask for? So I really love this set. If you are looking for a keyboard and mouse, I really highly recommend this one. And that is my point of view.